Now you can create these types of AI images easily. Just watch this video and I am going to teach you along with the prompt. These are the AI manipulation trending images. Let's see how you can create it. Type this prompt in the search bar. You can find this prompt in the description of this video. You can also customize these images, download them, and do more with them. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others as well. Also, you can get more customized images by changing the letter and the country written in the prompt. This is how you can create AI letter manipulation images.